Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I'm participating in a collaboration, and this one is the Fun in the Sun collab. And the host for this collab is the lovely Trevina, and her channel is TMB Designs. Now, I don't know if you subscribe to Trevina. I tell you what, I follow her on my personal channel as well as this DIY design channel. I just love the energy that she brings to all of her videos. Her home is absolutely gorgeous. She has an eye for color, an eye for design. And if you don't subscribe to her, I tell you what, you're missing out. So go over and pay her a visit if you will. I've left a link down in the description box to her channel. And as soon as it's available, I will also have a link to the playlist so that you can go and visit all of the other creators who have participated in this collab. Now, what Trevina asked us to do today was to just have some fun in the sun. She said we could do anything, anywhere in our home that we wanted. Basically, just bring in some summertime fun. So what I did is, you know what, it's Father's Day. It's a Sunday. I don't know when you're watching this video, but when I recorded it, it was a Sunday. So what I decided to do was a sort of tropical themed summer brunch. Little bit of tropical, little bit of summer with some nice lemonade to cool you off on a hot summer day. So again, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll subscribe today. Tap that notification bell a couple of times. Please make sure to comment. I welcome all of your comments, and don't forget to like and share. So I'll stop talking now and show you my idea of Fun in the Sun 2020. And I'll come back at the end and say a couple words. Thank you. Well, thank you so much for watching my take on the Fun in the Sun 2020 collab. Again, if you have stayed with me and stayed with the video to this point, I thank you so much for doing that and for supporting this channel. Please make sure that you go over and visit TMB Designs, Miss Trevina. I tell you, you're going to love her channel. And also, don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe. And make sure that you hit that, tap that notifications bell a couple times after you subscribe. So again, I thank you for watching. And you know what? I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.